In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to respond to a buyer on Facebook Marketplace effectively. When you're selling on Facebook Marketplace, being responsive and clear can make all the difference in closing a deal. So let's go through a few essential tips that will help you navigate these communications smoothly and professionally. First and foremost, always aim to respond promptly. Buyers on platforms like Facebook Marketplace generally expect quick responses. Ideally, this means getting back to them within a few minutes to a couple of hours. Even if you don't have all the information they need right away, it's important to acknowledge their inquiry. A simple, "Hi, thanks for your interest. I'll confirm the details and get back to you shortly," will assure them you're attentive and reliable. Next, keep your tone polite and professional. While it's important to be friendly, you also want to be clear and concise in your communications. For example, if a buyer inquires about an item's availability, you could say, "Hello, thanks for your message. Yes, the item is still available." This approach is both friendly and informative, which helps in building trust. When buyers ask specific questions about price, condition, or availability, make sure your answers are direct and straightforward. For instance, if a buyer asks, "Is this still available?" you can reply with, "Yes, it is. It's in excellent condition and ready for pickup." Being clear not only saves time but also shows that you're upfront and honest about what you're offering. Providing additional information can go a long way in helping buyers make informed decisions. Details such as the item's condition, size, color, brand, and any defects are generally appreciated. For example, you might say, "It's a size M, lightly used, no stains, and comes with the original packaging." This transparency builds confidence and helps manage expectations. Now let's talk about handling negotiations, which can often be tricky. If a buyer proposes a lower price, you might respond with, "Thanks for your offer. The lowest I can go is PX." Alternatively, if you're not open to negotiating, you could politely decline by saying, "I appreciate your interest, but the price is firm." When it comes to closing the deal, make sure to arrange meeting details clearly, confirm the time, place, and method of payment. You could say, "Sure, I'm available to meet tomorrow at 3 p.m. at SM Mall entrance. Cash payment works best. Does that work for you?" A clear plan helps prevent any last-minute confusion. To avoid misunderstandings and potential scams, maintain professionalism in your communications and be cautious about sharing your personal information. Only disclose what's necessary, such as a general meetup location instead of a full address. Lastly, always close the conversation politely. If the sale is confirmed, you might end with, "Great! See you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Thanks for buying." And if the item is already sold, consider informing potential buyers by saying, "Hi, thanks for your interest. The item has just been sold, but I'll let you know if I have similar items soon." By following these steps, you'll ensure that your interactions on Facebook Marketplace are smooth, professional, and effective. Happy selling!